Bees are incredibly interesting creatures that help with the essential pollination of food crops. These tiny insects can fly and carry pollen from one flower to another, creating an important part of our global food supply. Did you know these interesting facts about bees? Bees are found on every continent except for Antarctica. They pollinate plants and disperse seeds, meaning that 1/3 of all food crops rely on bees' help to grow. Bees are also important to our environment as they create habitats that support birds and other animals. Bees evolved over 80 million years ago, and there are over 16,000 known species of bees in 7 recognized biological families. Bees produce honey and beeswax in their beehives. Honey contains antioxidant compounds that may help protect against wounds and burns, allergies, coughs, and others. Like, share, and follow for more.